Okay, this is the 25th of January 2021, and this is what I'm talking about. You see all that water in front of that patio? It's not supposed to be there. It's not supposed to be pooling. If it gets much bigger, this lake by the hose, there'll be a lake on that side of the patio between going up to the air conditioning unit, and this will be about 3 or 4 feet wide. This is what I'm talking about as far as the drainage problem. Here, my lot, I'm digging an irrigation ditch to replace all the irrigation line, and I've got it so the water's running off my lot. I've done a lot of work over the last 5 or 6 years to make sure the water runs off my lot. This lot was sold to me about 16 years ago, and I can't get across to the new owners that it's deficient. It goes uphill from the patio to that bush. That's why you have a lake there. The lot doesn't drain. It's a permanent sponge. I fixed mine. When I found out what happened, I had been working on my 2 lots. But I bought 3, and that was part of the package. And they made sure that my lot didn't drain onto the golf course. I'm making sure now I've got it so it drains onto the golf course through these 2 lots. And I'd like to get across to the HOA board, the owner of the house, everybody. This was built for me, and it was built not to work right, just for me. And I can't get the new owners to see that. But that's what we're dealing with. Retention, water retention. It's been raining for 2 days now, a couple days on and off, and that's why we're starting to build water. If we get a 100-year storm now, we're going to have a lake about 6 foot wide in front of that patio and on the side of it. Because the water can't go nowhere. The ground is saturated. It's been raining for a day and a half, 2 days, and they say there's more on the way. I haven't seen one golfer today. But all this work I'm doing here is to get the water off my lot. If I still owned this lot and knew what I do now, when I owned it, I would have been doing the same thing to that one, but I don't own it anymore. And it's like inertia, overcoming inertia to make the new owners see that the lot is deficient as far as drainage. But, you know, you can lead a horse to water, you can't make them drink. I'd like to fix that, but they don't get it. But I just wanted to record that so that you can see. I want you to see, we'll look through the screen. You see that lake right there? That lake just keeps getting bigger and bigger. I've seen that patio where it's 4 feet wide. And on that end right there, you got a 4 feet wide, 2 or 3 inch deep lake. Landlocked. Forever. Can't get out. My lot used to be that way. These 2 lots used to be that way. I took a lot of dirt and I've done a lot of work grading it. Alright, geometry and gravity. It's all geometry and gravity. Anyway, that's enough for today.